Happy Valentine's, netizens!
Isa pa, sabay tayo. Happy Valentine's!
Ako'y tinamaan, puso'y tinamaan.
Happy Valentine's Day, netizens! What is going on, guys? This is Ned Adriano. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell para lagi ka notified once may bago tayong upload. So medyo maingay ngayon. Meron tayong event na naimbitahan tayo is sa Samsung event. Today is the last day of reservation of Samsung A71. So bukas yung pinaka-launch date niya. Ayan, ito tayo ngayon sa Samsung. Alright, this is gonna be a fun and exciting day. So tara, samahan niyo ako. This is Ned Adriano. Welcome back to another vlog. So for today's vlog, tayo ang unang-unang makakita sa Samsung A71. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Samsung store. Kasama natin ngayon si Sir Al, the Galaxy Master. Tatanungin natin siya kung ano yung mga new exciting features netong Samsung A71. So Sir Al, ano yung mga dapat namin abangan dito sa Samsung A71?
Thank you, Sir Ned, for inviting me here into your vlog. Of course, for Samsung Galaxy A71, we're highlighting, sir, the next level of technology when it comes to camera, sir. Because for our camera here, sir, we have a quadruple rectangular camera wherein it has also a 64 megapixel high resolution camera, sir. And aside from that, with the camera, sir, we have also the 5 megapixel macro camera lens. So yung benefits ng macro camera lens natin dito, sir, you can take more detailed picture, especially yung mga smallest subject. You can take more highlights using the 5 megapixel macro camera.
Wash me in the water, cleanse me in the mercy of your love. I need a heavenly touch.
This is the front camera of the new Samsung A71. Kamusta? Ganda, no? Tinaw?
Same time, sir, we have also the awesome screen. So with the awesome screen, sir, we have the 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Plus technology. So
Pakita natin sa kanila.
ito siya.
Ang laki. So okay siya. Kitang-kita. Yes, sir.
So using the Super AMOLED Plus technology, sir, it will give you more vivid and more brighter display, especially kung mga gamers yung gagamit. And at the same time, for movie playing or movie watching like Netflix, so mas may enjoy nila panonood ng movies and games po, of course.
Ayun. So, umpisa pa lang, sobrang na-excite na ako dito sa new phone na to. Personally, ako, nagustuhan ko tong phone na to. They give us the phone and try it. Talagang napaka-satisfying nung experience ko.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't.
Tanong, sir, kasi di ba kakalabas lang ng A70?
Yes.
Ano yung mga nabago? Or is it worth the upgrade? Why is it worth the upgrade kung meron na silang mga previous Samsung phone or any other phone?
Actually, for Ned, for this A71, this is the successor of Samsung Galaxy A70 way back 2019. And yung latest upgrade natin, sir, with A71 is of course yung long-lasting battery life because it has also a 4,500 milliampere and supported din siya ng 25 watts super fast charging. So yung 25 watts super fast charging na yun, sir, is 0 to 100%. You can have all is 60 minutes of charging. So then after that, you can use your phone all day long na using the 4,500 milliampere.
Yeah, sir, peram lang ng unit.
Sure.
Ako ang favorite ko talaga sa Samsung phones, yung kanyang display. Kasi sobrang ganda ng display niya. Mararamdaman mo na premium yung feels kapag nagamit ka ng Samsung phone. Ibang-iba yung feeling niya compare sa other cellphone na-encounter ko. But this one, talagang surreal. Ang ganda ng display niya. At the same time, ang maganda dito is ang tagal na ng battery life. Diba? Alam naman natin ngayon is isa yun sa competition ng phone kailangan matagal. So, it just take 50 minutes of charging tapos isang buong araw mo na magagamit. So, I like it very well. Tapos yung design niya very sophisticated, prism style, yung kanyang pagkakalagay nitong camera, sobrang ganda rin. Yung camera quality is just perfect. So, lahat ng kailangan ko sa phone is nandito. So, I'm also excited. This is an honest take for me. I'm also excited to try it more and also to use it as a personal use and also for vlogging.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, netizens, before the program starts, papakilala ko lang sa inyo yung mga kaibigan nating vloggers, si Michael. So, nandito yung channel niya, ilalagay ko na lang dyan sa edit, and si Jigs. Subscribe din kayo sa kanila, guys. So, support niyo yung mga kaibigan nating vloggers. So, yeah, let's get right to the program.
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna call my name, yes, come and say my name. Call my name, I'm never gonna stop if you just call my name. I'm never gonna drop it, gonna take it, take it, take it to the top, 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 top. Gonna make it hot, gonna make it till it drops. Never gonna fake it up, gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna make it, never gonna fake it. Gonna make it, never gonna fake it. We gonna take it, 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 top. I'm I'm gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna make it to the top. We're gonna make it to the top. We're gonna bring our hands up. 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 I'm gonna make it hot. Gonna make it till it drops. Never gonna fake it up. Gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna make it. Never gonna fake it. Gonna make it. Never gonna fake it.
Adriano.
Adriano. Wait mo kayo sa Ben and Ben.
Ben po.
Oo, Ben and Ben mga kapatid. Alright, so Ned, what kind of vlogs ang ginagawa mo?
You have to check it, Ned Adriano po, and Facebook, Ned Adriano Vlog. So I do a lot of travels, a lot of reviews for motorcycles. So I also use personally this Samsung A71. They give us a product to try. And what I like about it is that when I do on travel vlogs, kaya nga i-capture yung buong place. So you don't need to have those fancy cameras na sobrang mamahalin. With this mid-range phone, you can do a lot of things. Napaka-versatile niya and also robust yung style. Very sophisticated. So when it comes to travel vlogging, siyempre, kapag halimbawa pumapanik tayo sa mga bundok, ganyan, kailangan natin ng stability dun sa camera. So I got a lot of stability. Kahit na tumatakbo ka o pumapanik ka sa bundok, you still get yourself captured on the frame well na hindi umaalog yung camera. So I like this new Samsung. Talagang bang for the buck. Ito yung sinatawag nating bang for the buck. Talagang pasok sa bulsa ng mga Pinoy. I highly recommend this, so you must try it. If you haven't checked it yet, make sure to visit us the Samsung Comworks or Samsung store. Make sure to check it out. I'm sure magugustuhan niyo siya. So, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Ned Adriano Vlogs. Thank you so much. What's up, netizens? Yung may nakakalala sa ating netizens dito. Shoutout sa kanya. Ano yung channel mo? JZ Vlog. JZ Vlog. So, subscribe din kayo sa kanya. And yeah, thank you. So sir, kung sakaling interested yung mga netizens natin dito sa new Samsung A71, what are the available promotions or saan nila matatagpuan itong Samsung A71?
Okay, so for Samsung Galaxy A71, you can visit any Samsung authorized store nationwide. And of course, you can visit here in our store in SM Calamba, SES store. So you can, available na yung units natin. All available colors. We have the Prism Crush Green, Crush Silver, and Crush Black also. So pwede na natin siyang i-avail ngayon. And the good thing ngayon dun sa A71 natin is they can purchase also with installment plan. So up to 12 months to 24 months in credit card, pwede nilang i-avail. And at the same time in home credit also, they can avail it 0% 12 months, 0% interest.
Okay, so last question sir. Ito na ang gusto nilang malaman. Magkano itong si Samsung A71?
Yeah, so compared to the other A series natin, so for A71 it only has 22,990 price natin.
Okay.
So it's very affordable and worth it talaga yung unit natin na to because may enjoy talaga nila, especially kung yung mga customer natin may hilig sa games, movie playing, at the same time for camera. So sulit na sulit si Samsung Galaxy A71.
Yes, I agree with that. So yun guys, that is the Samsung A71. Personally, I like it. Ito yung something na personally bibiling ko. So yun ay isang honest opinion from me guys. So if you want to check that out, make sure to visit here at SM Calamba or any authorized Samsung store. Available na po siya. Today, February 15 is the official launch date of this Samsung A71. I like it a lot. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. So you must try it as well. And ayun yung first look natin, first impression, and also all the details that you need to know ay nasabi na ni Sir Al. Maraming salamat po Sir Al sa Comworks as well.
Yes,
sa Comworks, available din siya. Sila yung nag-invite sa akin dito para i-vlog tong si Samsung A71. First niya makikita dito sa channel natin. So, thank you so much for watching. Alright guys, that is for today's vlog. Kung nakaabot ka dito sa dulo, maraming salamat and Happy Valentine's Day. Belated na. Kung napapanood mo to, I'm sure belated na. So, bago tayo matapos, shoutout muna sa mga following netizens na nanonood. Nagpapa-shoutout kay Sherwin Tejada, John Joseph Broquesa, kay Dong Lahin from CDO, kay Riz Aldin Ole, kay Nel Mosote, kay Ritz Aldwin Ole, Heaven Juan, Rodney Guse, kay RJ Rocamora Santiago, Edwin German, Ray Bayan, kay Jasper Garcia, kay Ruth 66 Lamdom, kay Haha, Mark Vincent Cabanlit, kay Clipto Sean. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment lang kayo sa baba. Don't forget to like my Facebook page, Ned Adriano Vlogs, Instagram at Ned Adriano. Always keep it cool and ride safe always.